Hello guys, welcome to me playing Minecraft. What's going on? Me playing Minecraft. This is the second part of my Minecraft Let's Play. So, it's nighttime if you couldn't tell already. Today I'm actually going to two different birthday parties. Oh crap. Oh no, I've lost everything. No, that's okay. But yeah, today I'm going to two different birthday parties, and one of them is my brother's friend. I can link my brother in the description. And the other one is my brother's friend's, my brother's best friend's little brother's birthday party. So yeah, I found some more sheep that I can murder to get wool. I wish I had metal to make shears, but I don't. Sheep, get back here. Oh, that's a zombie. Die. Oh, oof, no. Hope it's gonna be... sorry if it's laggy. That's just how Minecraft is on this laptop. Yes, I'm on a laptop, not on a PC or anything. No, I'm being killed. Zombie, go away. No, 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 no. I don't have any stuff on me, so it wouldn't be that bad, but I just found some more sheep. And this might be the only ones I'll find in a long time. Go away, die. Okay. Oh. Okay, you know what? I'll just die here. I don't even care. So I'm back here. I'm pretty sure, yeah, the sheep were over there or what? Oh, wolves! Wolves. Nice, I don't have any bones on me, but I can try to find a skeleton. To tame a wolf boy. I like wolves in Minecraft. Wolves are the best wolves. Just kidding. Furry wolves are the best wolves. Minecraft wolves are second. Crap. That's okay. At least no wolves were harmed. So yeah, that's fine. Baby wolf, nice. Okay, we got some berries. Oh, skeleton. I shall get you, skeleton. Oh no. Oh. Get out. No, stop. No. Okay, goodbye. Oh, where am I? Okay, I don't care where I am. Okay, wait. So, oh, there's another wolf. Oh, it's daytime almost. And then I can find bones of dead skeletons, unless they were hiding under trees. But if they weren't, then I can get bones from dead skeletons to feed them to the wolves. And aren't skeletons are already dead, I think. At least that's how it would be in real life. But yeah, then I can feed the bones to these dogs, and then they would be tamed. Minecraft doesn't make sense. It's kind of weird. wow. Also in my last video, forgot to say, if you did not see that already, you should go check that out first. Oh, oh no. What? Okay, that was weird, kind of. Okay, but oh yes, all my stuff. I found it again. Yes. Oh, that's so lucky. Okay. Something lucky happened right after something unlucky happened, which is nice. Oh, zombie, die. Sorry if I'm not talking that loud. My family members, my mom and dad, are at home, and yeah. Another sheep. I can get more wool, and then I can make a bed, and then I won't have to go through this whole thing again. Why did I grab an ink sac? Because I don't know, nothing. I don't know. I don't know. I'm used to pocket. I'm used to pocket edition, and I usually switch to an item that I can't place. So an item that isn't like a block or something. Because then I can because then if I don't, I might accidentally creeper. Oh no. But yeah, if I don't, I might. Why did I just do that? I might No. No. At least I didn't die. Oh wait. Hunger. Let me just eat something. Yeah. I'm used to pocket edition, so okay, I'll just try to gain back health right now. I should have made a crafting table before this. My brother said, but I don't care. I'm just actually, you know what? I'm gonna make a crafting table, make a bed, and then I will make some more things, and then I will try to find a place to find a place to live, to make a house. Okay, yeah, if you couldn't tell already, I'm not that good at Minecraft. But that's kinda obvious, I think. I'll just take the recipe book. I know how to make a bed, but this is just easier. Perfect. Okay, oh wait, I have 3 wool already? Oh wow. I thought I only had 2. But that doesn't matter right now. I need to make some sticks and some tools. Okay, how do you make tools? Okay, oh wait. No, okay, never mind then. I'll just make a pickaxe. Pickaxe, bam. And I will make a sword. Actually, maybe that's not the best use of my wood. I can use the pickaxe to get stone, to get a stone sword. So I think that might be a little better. But first, I'm just gonna get this coal. I'm sorry about that. My mom just why can't I press on this again? My mom just told me to clean my room. And yeah, that's okay. I get it. My room's messy. I told her that I was recording a YouTube video. She doesn't know how my YouTube channel is called, but she does know that I have one. But I don't think I'll tell her how it's called ever, because that's embarrassing. Would you tell your parents how your YouTube channel was called? No, I don't think so. So, yeah. But that doesn't really matter right now. Oh, cool. Stone Age. Achievement. Okay, nice. I'm just gonna get some more stone so I can make a stone pickaxe, because the only reason you need a wooden pickaxe is to make a stone pickaxe. So that's the only use of a wooden pickaxe, to get 3 stone to make a stone pickaxe. I'm just gonna get some more stone to make some more stone tools. Some more cobblestone. Oh. Yeah, I'm just gonna go away from here now because I just saw a creeper. Oh, oof. So yeah, I decided to try to post okay. I have decided to try to post YouTube videos, obviously, but I mean like Minecraft videos once a week. One Minecraft video once a week, and one drawing video once a week. If I hope that won't be too much. If it would, then I will post a Minecraft video once every other week. Well, my brother just walked in. So yeah, there's. Also, if you're wondering what language we're speaking, no, it's not Russian. We speak Lithuanian with our mom, parents. Could you please walk out? You've walked in.
Oh, hi, you're playing Minecraft again. Is this episode 2 or something?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Please link my channel in the description.
Sure. Shout out to my brother. I will link his channel in the description. In every video that he speaks, even if it's just in the background, I will make sure to link his channel down below. He's also a furry.
But I'll give you better mic quality. I will give you microphone better quality.
I don't need that
yes,
right
you
now.
Yes, you do. Look. I give you that. You have a
oh,
good
dog. Okay, but I am recording right now, and
done. I put the.
I don't need
You need this.
Stop
you need this
it.
for better microphone quality.
I don't care. I'm just trying to have fun, okay? Is that a sheep? I think that's a sheep. I have enough wool. I don't need you, sheep. I will not kill you.
You do need sheep, though.
I already have a bed. And meat.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You were just holding it in your hand. I just saw.
Okay, but I don't even remember what I was talking about before you walked in. So, I guess this is where I will end this episode. Next episode, I will build a house. And I guess this is it for today. Bye guys. Goodbye. Bye. Uh,